from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Peugeot 207 here on a 2006-2007 plate. Just going to show you the problem with the front headlights on this. As you can see, that one there on the right hand side, that's the offside headlight image, and that's the near side headlight image, which is quite nice. If I just get the check it with the headlight thing as well, if you look on the inside here, that's got a pretty good image on there. But if I do it onto my driver's side, there is no image at all. So what I need to do is, I know exactly what it is. If you could just turn the lights off please for me. If I show you what I mean, this is quite an easy error as well. You can make this mistake. It's quite normal on cars, but but this mistake does cause a lot of problems, when you're driving behind someone. Right, on the inside there, as you can see the bulb, you see the bulb is not sitting in straight, but that's the driver's side. On the passenger side, you can see the bulb is nice and straight. Now to do it, if I take this cover off, that's the plug right there. So if I take the bulb plug out, right now I've got a spare hand, so what I need to do now is first take the plug off. Once I take the plug off, I can then see if the bulb is sitting in right. This is a H7 bulb, so if you do need a bulb, it will be in our description. Now if you look at the bulb there, that's definitely not sitting right. So if I just take this, push this spring forward, move it back, and then take the bulb out. Now that's the locator of the bulb, so pin locator, so that needs to face up. So what I now do is slot the bulb in. That's it. Keep hold of it right there, then bring the spring forward, as you can see now, and then you can see the position of the bulb as well is nice and straight. And now plug it back in. I'm just gonna check the lights now. Just switch the lights on again please. Now as you can see right there, you've got a perfect image for both of them. So if we do this again and then go to the other side, now you can see you've got a perfect image across now. So that's all you had to do. If you find someone that's flashing at you, that's purely because your bulbs are fitted incorrectly. On Peugeots it is quite common. So yeah, just get that sorted. It's quite easy and simple and easy to fix as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you and goodbye.